In this video, we will show you how to export budget modifications entered in Procore to your company's Sage 300 construction and real estate accounting system. Before you can export budget modifications, the project in Procore must be synced with a job record in Sage. You can easily see which of your Procore projects are linked to job records in Sage by viewing the Portfolio tab at the company level in Procore. The projects that have the green ERP-linked banner next to the project name have been synced with a job in Sage. The projects that do not display this banner are not currently synced with a job in Sage. To learn about the different ways to sync a Procore project with a job in Sage, you can visit our support site at support.procore.com. To demonstrate the process of exporting budget modifications to Sage, I'm going to open one of the synced projects. And then I will go into the Budgets tool. In this example, the budget has been synced with Sage. But I am not able to enter any budget modifications yet because the budget is not locked. I will go ahead and lock it now. Now that the budget is locked, the Create Budget Modifications button is available here. I will go ahead and enter one. In the From field, I will select the budget line item I would like to move money from. In the To field, I will select the budget line item I am moving money to. In the Transfer Amount field, I need to enter the dollar amount I am moving to the new budget item. And I can record details about why I am making this modification here in the Notes field. Now that I have the information for the budget modification entered, I just need to click Create. I can see the effects of the budget modification that I just entered in the Budget Modifications and Revised Budget columns here. Now that I have made these changes to the budget in Procore, the Resend to ERP button is available here. I need to click this button so that the budget modifications I just entered can be approved by an accountant and exported to Sage. Now that the budget has been resent to ERP, the modifications are waiting to be reviewed under the ERP Integrations tool, where they can be accepted and exported to Sage or rejected by the accounting approver at your company. By navigating to the company level and then selecting the ERP Integrations tool, the accounting approver can access the area where they can accept or reject the budget modifications. As a part of the implementation of Procore, certain members from the accounting team at your company were given the authority in Procore to review and either reject or accept and export financial information entered in Procore to Sage. This is a special permission that can only be granted to users by an employee of Procore. So if you ever need to add a new accounting approver in Procore, reach out to your Procore point of contact for assistance. With appropriate permissions in place, the accounting approver can now navigate to the Budgets subtab. And any budgets that have been sent or resent to ERP, but that have not yet been exported or rejected, will be listed on the Ready to Export filter. Here is the budget I just resent to ERP a moment ago. In the Export Details column, the system lets us know what is available to be exported. In this case, we are exporting budget modifications. If this were the original estimate amounts being exported, it would say Original Estimate Values here instead, like it does for the one above. The total estimate amount for the project is displayed here. And to see a detailed breakdown of the information that is waiting to be exported to Sage, I can click the Details button here. The budget modifications I entered and then resent to ERP are listed here. After reviewing the budget data, the accounting approver must choose to accept and export it to Sage or reject it. In this example, I will choose the Accept option. And now I just need to click Export to send the information to Sage. The export is now being performed. While it is exporting, you will see this message, and it will update when it is completed to let you know it was successful. The transactions for the budget modifications have been successfully exported to Sage. In Procore, the budget will move from the Ready to Export filter to the Synced filter. And to complete the process, it is important to remember to open the Job Cost module in Sage and run the Tasks Post Entries command. In this case, I have posted in Sage, and the changes have been synced in HH2. So if I go back to the project and open the budget, the Create Budget Modifications button is now available again, and I can use it to record any further modifications as necessary following the same steps that I just completed. When viewing the budget in Procore, the budget modifications and any amounts for approved changes are reflected separately in the columns here. However, in Sage, there is not a field to track budget modifications separate from approved changes. So when budget modifications are exported from Procore to Sage, they will be reflected on that side as approved estimate changes. When you review reports in Sage, or even when looking at the Sage 300 CRE Job Cost report in Procore, the amounts reflected in the Approved Budget Changes column will include both budget modifications entered in Procore and approved estimate changes that have been recorded in Sage. Thanks for watching.